So, Mr. Chairman, allow us to try to see these two videos before we ask our officials from the PNP. Also knowledge about those other personalities who have been killed on the war on drugs, like big personalities that you know about.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mayor Halili, pinagmalaki kasi ng isa, sir, na sila.
Sino yung nagmalaking yun?
Major Albotra, Mr. Chair.
Major
Albotra of Region 7.
Albotra?
Yes,
Region 7?
Yes po. Lieutenant Colonel Albotra na ata.
Albotra. Kenneth Albotra to be invited in the next hearing.
Mula nang mapatay si Tanawan City Mayor Antonio Halili, unti-unti nang nabubuo ng Task Force Halili ang mga ebidensya na posibleng makatuntun sa pumatay sa alkalde. Ilang oras bago ang pag-awit ng lupang hinirang noong July 2, nakuna ng CCTV sa isang gasolinahan ang isang AUV na may plakang AHO 3044. Ito rin ang AUV na nakunang pabalik-balik sa Memorial Park malapit sa City Hall 2 magkasunod na Lunes bago ang pamamaril. At matapos ang pagpatay kay Mayor Halili, nakunan din ang naturang AUV at kasama pa nitong hinihinalang getaway vehicle palabas ng expressway. Una nang sinabi ng PNP na minaniobra ang mga plaka at ang plakang AHO 3044 ay hindi pa nai-issue ng LTO. Sa bagong CCTV footage na nakuha ng news team, pumarada muna ang isa sa mga AUV sa gasolinahan, higit 1 kilometro ang layo sa bagong City Hall. Huminto ito sandali at isang lalaki ang bumaba na may suot na itim na t-shirt, berdeng sombrero at may hawak na cellphone. Wala pang 10 minuto, bumalik na ang lalaki sa AUV at saka umalis. May lead na raw ang task force sa gunman sa makapagtuturo sa mastermind.
Do you have also knowledge about... Tingnan po na natin yung second video, no? Mamaya babalikan po natin yung video ni Mayor Tony Halili. But for the meantime, we want to compare yung pong klase ng pagpatay sa Batangas at sa Laguna po. So, please show the second video.
Politika ang nakikitang anggulo sa pagpatay sa alkalde rin ng Los Baños, Laguna na si Cesar Perez. Si Perez kabilang sa narco-list ni Pangulong Duterte noong nakaraang taon.
Matatandaan kasama si Mayor Perez sa narco-list ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Itinanggi ito ni Perez at sinabing pamumulitika at paniniralang ng kanyang mga kalaban ang pagkakasangkot umano niya sa iligal na droga.
Hindi dapat sila. Sige. So yan yung supposedly na kasama sa team ng pumatay. Pumunta siya doon sa area na kung saan pinatay si Mayor. Diyan po tumayo si Mayor Cesar Perez sa area yan. At umikot siya sa munisipyo. Paikot-ikot siya mula alas 10 ng umaga hanggang sa pinatay si Mayor Cesar Perez. Yan ang taong hindi nakita ng ating mga kapulisan. Yan ang CCTV na hindi nila nakita. Hindi pinilisanda sa korte. During that time na na-assign ka dito, December 3, pinatay si Cesar Perez. You all know that the municipality of Los Baños have so many CCTVs. Ang dami ng CCTVs Bakit hindi nyo sinama yung CCTV na nakita namin? Na kung saan nakita kung sino ang pumatay? Bakit hindi nyo ginamit ang CCTV?
Mr. Chairman, sir, if my recollection is right, kasama po siya sa evidence na isinabmit namin sa prosecutor.
Colonel, stop lying, ha? I'll be asking the documents coming from the courts, from the court, kung isinama nyo. Councilor Norbin Tamisin, kasama ba?
Your Honor, sa Fiskalya wala po kaming kopya.
yan ay lumabas lang sa Facebook, nakita namin at napatunayan ko po nung nasa korte na po, nung nag-hearing na po kami. Pero sa fiskalya, bago na isampa, hindi po namin nakita, hindi rin po kami nabigyan ng kopya, Your Honor.
Ito lang po yung tanong ko. Before I proceed with the question with regards to the evidence, no? Kasi, Colonel Gardoque, when you were asked by Chairman Dan Fernandez, ito that's on record. Sabi mo kasi na part of the evidence are the CCTV. Tama?
If my memory is...
No, you mentioned it.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
O, so ang tanong, bakit nakita mo ba kanina yung Presidente Chairman Dan Fernandez?
Yes, sir.
O, but yan ba yung video clips o video sa CCTV?
Kasama, sir, sa...
Are you sure?
kasama, sir, sa tinignan namin yan during the incident.
And you also notice that one with ACA 4033 plate number? That part on the back of the municipal hall? Is it part of your investigation?
Yes, sir. Kasama.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, sir.
Sigurado ka?
Opo, sir.
O did you, in your investigation, nakafocus ba kayo doon sa van na yun?
Yes, sir. That is why in-involve namin, sir, yung sa SITG, yung anti-carnapping unit.
O what's the result of that investigation with regards to that car?
I cannot remember the result of the...
How about the person that was focused during the presentation of that CCTV?
Kasama rin yan, sir, actually sa napailan natin as Jando, yung taong nakita natin.
And that video was also presented during the court hearing?
I believe, sir, kasama na nai...
No, I believe, I ask you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka? Hindi, tinatanong kita, are you sure of that? Sigurado ka?
Maybe, sir, because that is...
Ano maybe? I'm just asking you if that CCTV that focused that certain person was also part of your evidence.
Yes, sir.
Oh, tingnan mo yung profile nung nilabasan nyo ng warrant of arrest. Is he the same person sa profile niya?
No, sir.
Oh, ba't kayo pumayag? Ba't naging akusado yung former councilor? Na hindi pala pasok doon yung profile niya? Yung physical appearance niya hindi pareho doon sa subject person. Now, a while ago, sinasabi mo nga, that person was also the subject of your investigation at Jando.
Yes, sir.
Oh, why?
That's the other suspect that we are trying to identify, sir.
That's the other suspect that you want to identify.
Yes, sir.
Pero wala naman kayong mapakita sa CCTV na nandun si Konsyal. Oh, Colonel. Actually, who filed the case? Is it the family of Mayor Perez or the PNP?
The family of Mayor Perez, sir.
So the family of Mayor Perez believe that Mayor Perez was killed by the councilor. Ganun po ba?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, sir.
Because we have to invite the family.
Yes, sir.
I beg to disagree, Mr. Chair. Kasi nagte-text po sa akin yung anak ni former Mayor Perez. Hindi po sila naniniwala doon sa IR ninyo.
Oh, Colonel Roque, you're lying. A while ago, you admitted, you said that the family believes in your case, that indeed the councilor is the one who killed the mayor. Oh, Colonel Gardoque, you're lying.
He was with us when we filed the case, sir. The son of Honorable Mayor Perez.
Wala akong pakialam kung nandun siya. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, naniwala ba sila na hindi the councilor is the one who killed Mayor Perez? And you said, yes. Categorically. Hindi ko na tinatong hindi na nga ako nagtanong second. Anyway, pupunta rin tayo doon.
Last na po to, tapos bigay ko na po sa inyo. Captain Albotra, kasi pag pinakita natin yung mga picture, no, hindi namin sinasabi na ikaw pumatay. Katulad naman na sinabi ni GM Garma, ang pinagmalaki mo lang sa kanya ay kasama ka sa team. Most likely, hindi ka naman sniper, correct? Hindi ka naman nag-aaral ng long shot, tama?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Oo, at pag tinignan naman natin yung ban, FB ban, ikaw yung, well, allegedly, pag nakikita natin yung tsura, lahat, may bumabang isang malaki katawan. Ikaw, nagba-bodybuilding ka, di ba?
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako
Hindi ka nagba-bodybuilding?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So, natural yung katawan mo?
Push up lang minsan, Mr. Chair.
Na ganyan na malaki. So, hindi namin sinasabi na ikaw yung bumarel. Kasi yung FB, most likely, andun yung mga tao, andun yung driver, no? At nung umatras doon sa may pader, na kung saan andun yung munisipyo, doon tinira si Mayor Perez. And doon din sa kay Tony Halili, may nakita din doon na malaki katawan, pareho ng relo mo, pareho ng build mo, pareho ng gupit mo. Di ba? But, of course, hindi natin ma-identify yung muka. And even din sa kay Mayor Cesar Perez, hindi din natin ma-identify yung muka kasi may takip. Di ba? At actually, as a matter of fact, hindi pa natin na-enhance yung mga video na to because we just received it yesterday, you know. So now, most likely, kung tama yung assessment ni GM Garma, nakasama ka lang sa team at ikaw lang nag-organize, ikaw lang nag-intel, ikaw lang nag-operate nung operation, ay hindi ikaw ang gunman na bumira doon. At kung ito'y utos lamang sa inyo, no? Most likely, you know, syempre, we can understand na ang inyong ginagawang trabaho is yung pong tinatawag po nating war on drugs. Di ba? We're not saying that you are all involved in the killing, you know, the actual shooting of the mayors. But maybe part of the team as what GM Garma was saying, no? And as a matter of fact, yung po sinasabi ni former senator about the reward system at sinasabi din ni GM Garma, most likely ito yung nakuha nila. But this is not all about money. This is all about the order coming from the higher ups, no? Now, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Major Captain Albotra, during the time that Cesar Perez, Mayor Cesar Perez was killed on December 3, 2020. Ano ka nun at nasaan ka nun?
Mr. Chair, ako po ay nasa Cebu. Actually, Mr. Chair, nakita ko po yung video kanina at 100% po ako na hindi po ako yun, Mr. Chair, kasi tayo po ang the best na nakakilala sa sarili natin. And nung binanggit niyo po yung picture, Mr. Chair, nag-send po sa akin yung kaibigan ko kung saan ako, Mr. Chair, and I can show it here, Mr. Chair, kung saan po ako sa Cebu City, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so hindi ka lumipad ng Manila during that time?
Pardon, Mr. Chair?
Hindi ka lumipad, pumunta ng Maynila from
Yes po,
Cebu
Mr.
during
Chair.
that time?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. How did you able to get a in accordance with your affidavit? Nakakuha ka nakasecure ka ng 2018 na ticket. Yung booking reference mo sa Cebu Pacific na kino-confirm yung flight mo going back to Cebu nung June 29, 2018. Were you able to secure this from Cebu Pacific?
Yan po ay saved email po, Mr. Chair. Luckily, nandun po sa email po, Mr. Chair, yung mga electronic tickets na yan po, Mr. Chair.
Ito nung umalis ka nung June 29, 2018.
June 29 po, yan po yung nagkuha po ako ng ticket and yung schedule ko po is June 30, Mr. Chair.
June 30,
Opo,
nung
Mr.
bumalik ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Di ba?
Yes,
Tama?
Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, the whole of December and November of 2020, you were in Cebu.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Siguraduhin mo, ha? During the whole time of November and the whole time of December, you were in Cebu.
Anong
December 3, prior to December 3, 2020, the whole of November and the whole of December, you were in Cebu. Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Cebu ka.